Dear friends, in today's video we'll talk about how you can create grids in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First you should have to create a rectangle or something like that. I am creating a rectangle. I am leaving it like this. Now you should have to go to select object. Now you should have to click on the object. In object you come to the path, and in path you should click on the split into grid. When you click on this dialog box will open with you. Now how many rows you want? Let's say I want 20 rows. In how much columns you want? Let's say I am creating 10 columns, so a grid system will be created which will having 20 rows and 10 columns. I am clicking on the OK, and this is how you can simply create grids. Now if I want to create some other grids, so I am opening a new file. Let's say A4 size is okay. I am creating this file, and now let's say I am creating this rectangle. Go to the object, click on the path, and in path come to split into grids. Now I am creating 50 rows and 30 columns, and I am pressing OK. So this is how you can create grids in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you.